Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a ClickBank method that you can use to market any ClickBank product or Digistore 24 product of your choice on two high trafficked websites, very high traffic. One is going to be a free way to do it, and the other way is not going to be free, but it's not expensive either. A method to show you how to market this and drive traffic to any ClickBank or affiliate product that you want. Alright, so if making money online through ClickBank or Digistore 24 and affiliate marketing sounds good to you, sit back and relax. We're going to get started on this video right now. First of all, we want to come back over here to my page here, or my channel, and for those of you that are new to my channel and this is your first time, well, before we get started here with this particular method here today, reach down there below your video and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there so that you get notified if when I upload new videos to the channel, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Alrighty, for you guys. Alright guys, well, let's go ahead and get started here on this. Of course, the first thing you want to do is come back over here to ClickBank. Now, I don't have to tell you that it's free to sign up to ClickBank. It doesn't cost anything. Just come to clickbank.com, sign up, fill out their form, and they will send you an email confirmation, so make sure that you get your account validated and verified, and then come back and get logged in. And you want to come over here to the marketplace. You see where my mouse is right here, and click on that, and it brings you over here to the marketplace page. Now, for this particular method, guys, this is not 100% free, but it's about 98% free. Like I told you, I'm going to show you one paid method that you can do this, but it doesn't cost much, and I'm going to show you a real powerful free method that you can use, so you can do both with this particular method. Now, with this method today, we're going to be using an ebook or a PDF file, and we're going to create that, and we're going to have our affiliate links or our call to action inside the PDF, because we're going to be using an ebook today, and we're going to be giving these ebooks away for free to people that want to download it, and it will have our affiliate links in it. Then that's how you'll make money when they click on those links when they download or read the PDF or ebook. Now, I came over here to ClickBank, and I clicked here on self-help right here. You see, guys, in the category here on the left, and it came up with all kinds of these different products right here, like his secret obsession. You can make $57.29 per sale here, and these also have recurring billing too. So if you want recurring billing, which is advisable, that's called passive income, because every month you're going to get paid when they come back and sign up again, right? Recurring billing is a recommended thing. I mean, it doesn't have to be. You don't have to do that, but it's recommended. And then there's all kinds of different products down here under the self-help stuff that you can use. It just doesn't matter. I mean, you can do this in the make money niche. You can do this in the the health and wellness, like lose weight niche or something like that. I'm just doing it in the relationship niche today, because the particular product that I'm going to be showing you to use, has its own PDF creator. Now, you can find products. You have to do a little bit of research, but you can find products on ClickBank or Digistore 24 that have PDFs or ebooks already in their affiliate tools that you can use. All right, and this particular product right here, his secret obsession, has that already. So what we'll do is we'll click on this. Actually, we're going to click on the affiliate page right here. So if I click on that, that should bring us over here. And then what we want to do is we'll come over here. You can see it's got things right here. Come over here under custom reports, and you see it says custom PDF reports right here. So find you a product on ClickBank that has PDFs already built in that you can use. If the product or the niche that you choose, you can't find a product that has a built-in PDF report under affiliate links or affiliate tools, then you can always come over here to freeplrdownloads.com. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. freeplrdownloads.com. And you can certainly find in any niche right here an ebook that will work for this particular method for you. The only thing is you're going to need to edit in your affiliate links or your calls to action, right? Well, to do that, I recommend this site right here. It's called Sejja.com. And after you download your ebook from here, bring that ebook over here and upload it for free. You don't even have to sign in or anything like that here on Sesha. You just click here on edit the PDF document. It's free. And then click on that and then click on upload the PDF file that you downloaded from PLR Downloads, right? And then you can edit it right here for free, and you can also put in your affiliate links at different intervals throughout your ebook. Put your call to action, like click here to learn more, or something like that, whatever's related to the niche of the product that you picked from either ClickBank or whatever affiliate market that you're using, network that you're using. All right, now let's come back here. So we come right here and we click on custom PDF reports here, guys. And you can see it brings us up here. You can earn up to 216 per customer and blah, 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 blah. But right down here, we're going to click where it says skip the commission bump and go straight to the tools. So we click on that. That brings us over here. And then we come back up here and we click on articles and landers right here. And you can see that right here it has the custom PDF report. I mean, you guys can use this same one that I'm using too if you want to. It's all right. And it shows these 3 ebooks right here. Now, I'm using the relationship niche here, right? So, we can pick any one of these 3 books right here. And what we do is, you probably need landing pages and so on and so forth. And you can create a landing page for this particular method if you want. Or you can just drive them straight from the ebook over to the product. It's your choice. Probably better to have a landing page if you want to collect email addresses and things like that. All right? Now, so what we're going to do is we're going to pick the report or the PDF that we want, and I'm going to go with, let's go with the fascination fix right here, and I'm going to go with that, and then I have to put in, you got to put in your, make sure you put in your affiliate nickname here, right guys, and then come on down. You can add in a tracking ID if you want. It's optional here. I'm not going to put it in for this. And then right here you can put a free a message in or whatever. And we're not going to mess with that. But we do want to check this box right here where it says include a message at the top of the reporting inviting readers to share the customized ebook or PDF, which is optional. Well, of course we want people to share it, don't we? So yeah, we're going to check that box right there. Now, then you got to check the box, little garbage box here for the I'm not a robot thing. I don't like those things, but you got to do it. And then just click right here, generate your personalized PDF. So if you click on that, you see it creates the PDF right here, guys. And it's got our, in fact, this is clickable right here. The picture is. And also down here, as you see at the bottom of every page here, it's got our affiliate link right here where it says visit our free presentation on how to become his secret obsession. So if we click on that, that should bring them over. It sure does. It brings them over and puts them right here on the page. You can see here it's ClickBank, and it's got my affiliate marketing ID or account ID in the link. All right, so we know we're good to go. Like I always tell you guys, you want to test those links out. Well, I just messed up and closed it out right there. But nonetheless, you see, once you get your ebook and you can download that ebook to your computer, I closed it out accidentally up here. It didn't open up in another window. So nonetheless, you've seen that I created that ebook. You would download it to your computer, and then you would come over to this site right here, guys. It's Facebook. This is how we're going to market this. Now, this is not the pay or the free version. This is the paid version. Normally, I tell you guys to sign up to these groups, and you can see here that I'm logged into my Facebook account, and I clicked on groups right here. And over here on the left side, guys, look what I typed here: relationship advice over here, and I clicked on search, and it brought up all kinds of these relationship groups that there are, and there's tens of thousands of members in these groups. So this is going to be the paid method. Normally I tell you guys, like I said, to come over here, join these groups, and then give some value in there, and then paste your your affiliate link, or not your affiliate link, but your ebook link into the group or at the bottom of your comment as you get to know people in these groups, and they will see that out of curiosity. They'll check it out and download that book, see? But that's not how we're going to do it today. This is a little bit different. What you're going to do is you can look right here. You can see that this relationship advice group here has 87,000 members. These groups have thousands, 86,000, 90,000, 5.6 thousand, 14,000, 253,000 members. Guys, this is high traffic here, and this is all about relationships. So what you can do is I recommend you join as 4 or 5 of these groups that had the highest amount of members. Look down through all of these, find the highest amount of members. You can do this in your niche too on Facebook. And then what you're going to do is you're going to join the group, and then you're going to ask the administrator of the group. You're going to message the administrator of the group, or who's ever controlling that group, and you're going to ask them how much it would cost, maybe $5 or $10, for, say, to paste your ebook link or promote it and pin it at the top of the group. You see how I'm going with this? Pay them $5 or $10 to pin it at the top of the group, maybe for a week or 2 weeks or a month, whatever they'll go. Negotiate with them. And then when they'll pin that ebook to the top of their group, and everybody that comes to that group every day will see that, and they'll download that free ebook because it's a free download, right? Well, the free ebook has your affiliate links in it. And as they read that ebook, and they'll click it, and they will come over to the page and hopefully buy your affiliate product, and you'll make money that way right there. Alrighty, so join 3 or 4 of these highest groups here that you can find in your niche on Facebook, and send a message to the administrator asking how much it would cost to paste, or not paste, but rather pin your ebook or your free downloadable ebook to the top of the group where it can be seen by everybody. And there you go. You can do it that way. That's the paid way. It's not very much, but just offer them $5 or $10 to do that for maybe a couple of weeks or whatever they'll agree to, right? That's a powerful way to market it right there. Getting your ebook at the top of every one of them groups that you joined. Now, the free way to market this ebook is to come over here. The Wayback Machine, or rather the Internet Archive. You look at it up here in the address bar, guys, right here. It's archive.org, right? And then you can sign up here on this site for free. Now, why would we use this site? Why am I picking this site? Well, if I bring out my similar web here so you guys can see this, if I scroll up, you can see that this Internet Archive, or the Wayback Machine here, gets monthly visits of 76 million people, guys. That's why. And it's free to upload your ebook on this site right here. Now you can see that they go with web, ebooks or books, video, audio, software, and images, all kinds of things that you can upload and share on this site. So then you're going to sign up here. You can click on sign up right here, and you can create a local account right here, and they will send you an email confirmation. Or you can sign in with your Google account right here. So if I click right there and just sign in with my Google account, so it's got me signed in. Now you can click right here. You see where it says upload right here, guys. Or I think if you click on your name or whatever, it's got upload right here as well. So just click on upload, and then click here, and you can upload and drag or drop your files and upload your ebook that you created with your affiliate links, and upload it right here on the Internet Archive site, and drive massive amounts of traffic to your ebook because it's free and downloadable, right? And then your affiliate link's going to be right there in that ebook for them to go and check out your CLICKBANK product or Digistore 24 or whatever product that you chose in whatever niche. Alrighty, guys, that's a great way to drive some traffic to any kind of affiliate product that you want. That's my method for you today, guys. If you like this method, reach down there and click the thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you would. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell. And also, if you got any comments about this video or anything like that, put them down there in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to see my free video presentation that will show you the formula or how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer where you can make thousands of dollars in one day's possibility. You want to click down there, below there, we're in the description, the top of my description, where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over and check out what's available there that will show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer. It's a free video presentation. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.